Garlic, with its medicinal properties, has been in use for treating many conditions since ancient times. Most of these health benefits of garlic arise from its sulfur compounds. The aroma also comes from these compounds. In this video, we will take a closer look to understand if garlic is good for pinworms removal. Pinworms are one of the most common parasite infections in the intestines of young children around the world. The very small eggs of pinworms get into their hands from sharing personal objects of already infected people. These eggs then find their way into the intestine once they use an unclean hand to eat anything. Pinworms generally affect children up to the age of 15. Adults develop a resistance to infection, which is good, but low immunity can infect adults also. Can garlic really help to kill pinworms? Garlic has a good reputation as a medicinal herb. Researchers have found that it can treat many skin conditions to heart disease and cancers. Garlic contains a potent sulfur compound called allicin, which is antimicrobial, antibacterial and antifungal. It helps to remove most of the pinworm infection symptoms such as itching in the anal area, nausea, abdominal pain and disturbed sleep. You can use garlic both internally and externally to get rid of pinworm infection and kill pinworm eggs. The simplest method to use garlic for pinworms is to eat raw garlic. Peel a clove of garlic and eat it raw 2 to 3 times daily. Some people may find it difficult to eat raw garlic due to its pungent taste and bad odor. So, they can buy garlic pills from a drugstore and consume them. Follow the manufacturer's instruction on the labels for the doses. In addition, you can apply garlic externally. A thick paste made from garlic and petroleum jelly can kill the colony of pinworm eggs around anus area. Apply it 2 to 3 times daily. You can use aloe vera or coconut oil instead of petroleum jelly. You can also adjust the amount of garlic paste to suit your skin. It can take more than 3 weeks to treat pinworms. If the infection still persists after that period, then consult a doctor. Bottom line is, garlic can help get rid of pinworms. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.